Jaybird, whose brand has been built around creating high-quality audio products for athletes and runners, has just debuted their latest edition, Vista. The brand new earbuds are completely wireless and are Jaybird's lightest earbuds to date. With 6 hours of battery life, an extra 10 hours with the battery from the charging case, and their water, sweat, and crush-proof design, the Vista earbuds should be able to withstand any workout thrown their way. Let's check them out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hi, this is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys. Replacing the Run XT as Jaybird's flagship product, the $180 Vista is a completely wireless set of earbuds designed for performance. Here's what to expect when opening the Vista. Upon opening the box, we immediately find the case with the earbuds inside. In the accessory pouch, we see a bag with the charging cable and 2 additional sets of silicone tips for fitment. And under that bag, we have the quick start guide and some other legal safety information. Like most true wireless earbuds, the Vista comes with a carrying case to provide protection, power, and pairing. The earbuds have a magnetic connection into the case, which makes it easy to find the proper seat for charging. And the case itself has a solid magnetic closure. The earbuds automatically power on when removed from the case, and once paired, they typically were fully connected by the time I got them up and into my ears. They auto power off when placed back in the case. Jaybird builds their brand on 3 keystones: fit, sound, and durability. Let's check out how the Vista headphones uphold these pillars. Jaybird's emphasis on making headphones for athletes means that they need to fit securely during rigorous training. To accomplish this, the Vista headphones come with 3 sets of silicone skins that change the fit. They come equipped with the middle set, which seems to be the best fit for my ears, and Jaybird thinks for most people's ears. The sets are easy to change out and snap on securely so you don't have to guess if they're installed correctly. For me, the middle set fits the best, and I found them plenty comfortable for longer periods of use. Of course, I didn't run a marathon in them, but for a 5-mile run they felt fine and didn't move at all. I haven't had enough time with them to extensively test their durability, but everything feels very well made. With an IPX7 waterproof rating and sweatproof, which they say is harder to do, the Vista shouldn't falter from water. Jaybird also claims they are crushproof with their encapsulated construction. Sound has always been a focus of Jaybird as well. The Vista headphones use a 6mm driver, the same size as the other Jaybird pieces, but they have been redesigned and are milled instead of stamped. Because audio can be extremely subjective, Jaybird has built an awesome app that lets you tune the EQ of the headphones pretty extensively. If you don't know where to start, there are plenty of stock EQ settings, user-generated EQ settings, and even a personal setting that takes you through a series of adjusting, hearing test-like frequencies to dial in the sound to your ears. I found that after setting up the personal EQ setting, I still had to tweak it a little bit. I like a little boost on the low end, but it came out too bass-heavy for me. And if this isn't enough, or you want more control, you can go in and adjust frequency settings on a parametric equalizer. In here you can boost or cut frequencies, drag to change the specific frequency point, and change the range of frequencies that the selected point affects. Needless to say, you can spend a lot of time fiddling in here with how you want the headphones to sound. And if you're in the middle of customizing and ruined your setting and can't figure out how to get it back, there's a history feature that you can scroll back through until you get back to the perfect setting. And the app doesn't stop with just EQ settings either. The Vista earphones feature a single, tactile button on each side, and the functions of those buttons can be customized. Out of the box, a single press will play or pause music and answer calls. A double tap will skip to the next song or reject calls, and holding the button will power off the earbuds. Since the earbuds auto power off when returned to the case, I decided to swap holding the button for changing volume up and down. Overall, I've been extremely impressed with the quality of the Jaybird Vista earbuds. From build quality to the fit and function to the app, everything has a polished feel to it. I found them plenty comfortable for extended use and really enjoyed being able to dial in the sound to whatever I'm listening to. So what do you think of the Jaybird Vista? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.